Hi guys, this is the Wishmaster speaking, and today we're gonna talk about Ethereum, guys, my all-time favorite, Ethereum. Ethereum has broken through its all-time high. So, big news. Ethereum has been in consolidation around $300 for weeks during September and November. As you can see here, we started around September, and then all the way to mid-November we were hovering around 280, 320, a big round even number around 300. But recently we broke out of the out of our consolidation period, and we shot off. We really shot off. So our all-time high was 483 if we follow Bitfinex here, and this is a new all-time high. And guys, I'm thinking this is a trading opportunity here. If you're holding Ethereum and trading, I think we can see a trading opportunity here. Maybe short term. I'm gonna be honest with you guys here. I sold a bunch of my Ethereum right now. I think this is a great opportunity to trade short term. We're looking at the 1-day chart, and we're looking, if we look at the histories of breaking all-time highs, we're gonna take a look here. So this is May 25th. We broke all-time high, and we went down again, and we went up again. Here we broke all-time high again. We reached 230, and we went down a bit, and we broke it again. We broke it again, and we went down again. So that is something that happens. If you can look at history, all-time high or almost close, dropped again. Of course, this had to do with the Chinese banning cryptocurrencies, etc., etc. But this here, this big green, big fat candle, this is a clear moment to sell. I think the RSI is peaking at 85, and the moving average between 12 and 26 is the gap is huge. The gap is huge. The gap hasn't been this huge before, and I think really we are bound to have a big correction. And I'm thinking really back to 440 or maybe even 420. If we are picking the Fibonacci, and I'm just gonna take 300 because we had been consolidating around 300. So I'm not gonna pick an all-time low here, low level here. I'm just gonna look at 300 because 300 is something that is on everybody's mind here. I'm gonna pick 300 and pull it up to the all-time high, and I think we can see 440 here, and maybe even around this. You can see the difference between the two. Maybe 420 maybe. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but I think I'm gonna be honest with you, and I plan to be honest with you guys here. We broke through this. Every all new time high, there has been a correction, and I think we haven't seen a correction. We have been going up 4 days straight, then one negative day a bit, and then 4 or 5 times before positive. So we had 5 straight days of positive, 1 negative, and again 4 negative days. 4 positive days, excuse me. This is bound for correction, guys. I think you can twist and turn it as much as you like, but this isn't going to go straight up again. Maybe, could be, but highly unlikely. So what did I do? I sold at 471, I think I sold at 471 on Bittrex, and I plan on rebuying partially around 440 and see how it goes. Maybe even buy in full again, or I'm gonna wait at 420. 420 is a big number as well because it was the previous all-time high, and as you guys know, previous resistance is mostly support when you break it. So I think 420 will be a big resistance number, big support number. So maybe put your buy levels again a bit higher than 420, maybe 440, 430, and buy back in again. If you're trading short term, if you're trading this long term, just sit back and relax, guys, because this might go parabolic again for the couple of days like it did in May, June. It went really straight up. So this might happen again. But if you want to trade the swings, I highly suggest looking into the charts, looking at the moving average, looking at the RSI, and do your own research about selling this right now. You can see it on Reddit as well. The the HIFs are back. The moon talk is back, and mostly as positive news. I love the guys at Reddit. This is great. But guys, again, do your research, look if it's time to sell. It could go higher, you know, but like you see here, if I'm gonna move it, here we had a small bulge, we went down again, big down again. It might happen again. Look it up, do your research. This is not financial advice, don't do anything I say, but do it yourself. Look at your charts. Great opportunity. Bye guys, peace.